Read the questions. Okay, as per your question, I will represent the data in the form of a triangle as well as in sentence form. Then we will solve the problem. Okay, come on, say me.
A contractor wants to set up a
Slide. Okay, yes.
for the children to play in the park. He wants to set it up at the height of 2 meter and by
2 meters. So what is the height of the slide here? 2 meter. And you know very well, during your childhood, you were enjoying the slide, right? You used to climb and you used to sweep on that, right? So here this is the slide. You want to set up at a height of 2 meters. Yes, next.
And by making an angle of 30 degree with the ground.
Making angle, this is the ground, and making angle of elevation 30 degrees. Okay, and take this as A, B, C. Okay, this is the 90 degrees and this is the hypotenuse. 90 degrees opposite side is hypotenuse, and if the angle of elevation from C side, then this one will be the opposite side and this one will be the adjacent side. What they said to find? Yes.
What should be the length of the slide?
Length of the slide means this one they need say us to find. Take it as L. They did not ask what is the distance from the foot of the slide to the head of the slide. They asked us what is the length of the slide. So what we need to do, first write in represent in sentence form also. Given height of the what is this? Height of the what? Height of the what this is? Slide. Height of the slide is equal to AB is equal to 2 meters. Clear everyone? Then more what they have given? Angle of elevation. So write down that angle of elevation theta is equal to 30 degrees. Okay, this actually after reading the question you should write this given with your own. You can use your own English language and you can write it. No need of copy paste from anywhere. Okay, for this also you will get the marks in exam. Then let the length of the slide is equal to L meters, that is equal to AC you can write. Okay, this is the given information. Now we are going to find a L, that is length of the slide. So from triangle, which triangle it is? ABC. So from triangle ABC. Okay, so here length, hypotenuse, and what is known? Opposite. Opposite is known, unknown is hypotenuse. Opposite and hypotenuse in which ratio?
Sin theta.
It is in sin theta. We have already learned, no? Old Harry and his old aunt. Sin theta is equal to opposite by hypotenuse. So sin theta is equal to opposite by hypotenuse. Can I take here tan theta in the place of sin theta? No. If it is like this, opposite and adjacent is there. This is known, this is unknown, and they said to find this one. That time you need to go with tan theta. Okay. So tan opposite is what? AB, and hypotenuse is what? AC. Now look here, sine, how many degrees they have given in the place of theta? 30. That is equal to AB. AB is how much? 2. AC is how much? AC, we don't know, we need to find that, that is L. Sin theta is how much? Sin theta is 1 by 2 is equal to 2 by L. Now do cross multiplication. L is going to multiply with 1. You are going to get here 1 into L is L. Then here 2 2s are 4. So therefore we got the L value, that is length of the slide. Therefore length of the slide is equal to 4 meters. Clear everyone? I hope you have understand.